We're eating soup for breakfast. Why? Because this is the Recipe Rebellion, and we are not following the rules today. It's cold outside. It sucks. Anything below 50 is just wrong. It's just not right at all. But still, I persevered, and I was outside this morning walking my dog through the redwoods, anchoring with the violet flame on my headphones. That's right, I am a being of violet fire. I am the one that I desire. That's right. I don't know why I have an accent when I say that. Butternut squash soup, literally just boiled. Put some flaxseed milk in there, salt and pepper, whisk it up, mash it up. That's it. Guess what else I did? Totally rebellious. Vegetables for breakfast. That's right. No eggs, no toast, not in the Recipe Rebellion kitchen. I took leftovers from that. Yeah, that's right. You got to get a look at my outfit. That's right. Look at these pants. Aren't they snazzy? Oh, they go with my little pink slippers I have. And also I have underneath some purple leggings. Or my, as I like to say, my violet flame leggings. Okay, enough fashion advice from me. Okay, here we go. Sauteed veggies, leftovers, had leftovers, bok choy and shiitake mushrooms from last night's dinner. Put those in the pan. What else did I have? Soup, more soup. When it's cold, I make soup every day. I only live on the S's, I think. Soup, sandwiches, snacks. You'll hear more about that later. Soup, can of soup that I made, homemade, vegetable, you know, like just a simple soup. It was just like sauteed onions, carrots. I'm recreating it as I'm telling you. Onions, carrots, peas, green beans, spinach, greens. You have to throw greens in. So cooked up some soup and leftovers, threw that in. The last thing is I had some green beans that I put in the air fryer. Have you tried an air fryer? Okay, don't go out and get one because you know I'm not a gadget girl and I don't promote having to think that you have to go out and get gadgets and buy things like sharp knives to cook in the kitchen. But I discovered this air fryer and now I put everything in it. Put all your vegetables in it and it like spins all this hot air around it. Woo! And then it comes out like crispy with no oil. Well, sometimes I saute a little coconut oil on the veggies before I put it in. Anyways, I did green beans in there. I put the leftover ones in, well, they look limp now because I put them in the broth with the soup, but they are to die for. See, we forgot to eat them for dinner last night because what I do is I put things in the air fryer and it's an enclosed little, like, it looks like a little, what it looks like is a big, huge coffee pot on the counter, really. So I put veggies in there and then I get so excited about dinner. I start running to the table with the food and then I forget to take the food that I put in the air fryer on the dinner table. So the green beans were a result of that food I didn't eat. So they go in the veggie stir fry for breakfast. That's right, I said it. Veggie stir fry for breakfast. Huh, Astra? Astra, you want to say hi to the camera? Come on. She's my cat. She Astra travels. Her name's Astra. Okay, so for breakfast, veggie stir fry. My beloved's right now at Jazzercise, getting her groove on. When she gets back, we're getting veggies in our mouth and in our bodies because we are on a kick right now to nourish and treat our bodies really well because, well, we're a little fluffier than usual, we discovered. So they were pleasure pounds. What I do, so for breakfast we're having veggie stir fry, butternut squash soup, and then I already made lunch because chances are when you buy a whole bunch of veggies and you put them everywhere, like stuff the fridge, put them in a pan, just saute. Say your meal plan for this week is only gonna be veggies in a stir fry pan. Well, that's gonna be the basis for all your meals. Chances are you'll probably make something on the side other than that, but why not just say your intention is to just total vegify this week and just put them everywhere. So I made lunch. So I made this beautiful salad. Ooh, say ooh, ah. It even looks good when I spin it. Because guess what? I have about a 98% chance that if this is sitting on the counter when I'm hungry, that I will not get the bean and cheese and rice frozen burrito from the freezer. 2% chance I will. Okay. But if this is on the counter, and then I can just nervously munch through my desire to eat my bean and cheese and rice burrito from the freezer, and then maybe I'll get distracted, and it'll be over. Oh, Kiki, come here. Kiki, you want to say hi? Look, there's my Wawa. Say hi. Oh. She likes to hang out in the kitchen in case any, food falls, but she's kind of sad because we're only having vegetables this week, really. This week. Not really, but we are cramming a lot of veggies down our throat. And this is the way to do it. So, there you go. Why don't you try veggies for breakfast and see if you can be that rebellious in the kitchen, huh? Let's do it.